Turkey-style embargo, Israel would hardly feel the pinch because its trade with the global south is spread thin. Its commodity imports from such countries can also be easily replaced. It gets about as much oil and gas from Russia as it does from Brazil, and Vladimir Putin would be connecting to the emergency call center.
Connecting you to an emergency response specialist.
Oh shit.
Hey, you can't park there, bro. How much we drink tonight? Hey, you gotta stop.
Everybody get in the car. Get in the car.
Go, get. Hop in, gang. No way. He's starting left. Fire truck coming.
Oh, he crashed! He just crashed again. He hit the fire truck. You fucking goofball.
Oh, what the fuck? Oh, get his ass. Yo, he's on the run.
Shit.
He's running.
Get his ass. Stop him. He's hiding right there.
Get down. Stay the fuck down.
Suspect here.
You almost killed like 30 fucking people.
No, I did not.
Just don't fucking move.
You know what kind of car you hit?
Ambulance.
You could have been throwing the ambulance dying.
Well, now my car is messed up, right?
Who cares about your car?
Your car's fucking done.
Well, who's gonna pay for that? Me?
Yeah.
Listen, you'll sober up in jail, you'll bail out.
I
Just
know,
do not do anything more stupid and you're gonna be okay.
They're here. Troy.
It's time for jail, bro.
Oh. That's all that happened? These things are tanks.
That's insane, bro. This thing is not even damaged.
Wow.
That much and then that little over there.
Мудак, блядь, а.
Oh, he's lifted. Oh, he's hit the pound pole. He's fucking hit the.
Сука! Блядь!
Пиздец. Успокойся.
Он лежит.
Бля, у меня дверь не открывается еще.